Are you searching for best digital angle gauge in this year? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best digital angle gauge in 2023. Number 1. Lefavor Digital Protractor Angle Finder. Digital Protractor Angle Finder Inclinometer Electronic Level 360 degree with slash without magnets Level Angle Slope Test Ruler 400 mm. Description: this digital level measure all angles in either 360 degree range or 490 degree quadrants. It can display both degree and slope. Have 2 versions with magnets on the bottom and without magnets. Display isolays in upright position, which best especially when working overhead. Not only this instrument can measure the horizontal and vertical surface, it also can measure the angles of all slopes rise fall features, precision 0.1 degree, flip-up LCD, reading always in upright position, measuring range of 360 degree, hold function to freeze measurements, absolute measurement and relative measurement conversation, auto power off. Measures precise inclines in degree or mm/m, up to 100 mm per m. Number 2. Shahe Digital Linear Scale. Digital Display Linear Scale. The digital scale has a built-in digital display, which is easy to read and can be used as a measuring tool. The digital LCD display allows you to see the data clearly and easily. Easy installation. This digital scale is very easy to install and use. It can be installed easily. Measuring range 0150/200/300 mm, accuracy plus or minus 0.06 plus or minus 0.08 plus or minus 0.10 mm, resolution 0.01 mm, power function inch, fractional metric reading, aluminum alloy material, durable use, ABS function. Switch between relative 0 and normal measuring, large remote LCD display, remote readout display convenient for reading and operation, wide application, vertical horizontal beam 2-in-1 for router lift, router table, planer table saw. It is used to be equipped together with various industry lathes and upgrade old lathe. Number 3. Neoteck Digital Protractor Angle Finder. Level box provides relative and absolute measurements as well as zero setting to any position. Extra LCD is convenient to read. Small and light, it is real easy to be carried and used. Measuring plane contains disc magnet which can be attached to the surface to be measured. It is especially easy to measure the pitch of helicopter, bevel angle of miter saw, automobile test and repair and so on. Professional. The digital inclinometer is made of high-quality aluminum alloy material, which is durable and has a long service life. Gift. The digital inclinometer is an ideal gift for your family, friends, and colleagues. It is also a good choice for birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, etc. Backlight LCD display values can be clearly and easily read on the LCD display. Displays bevels in degrees, AN/FT, mm/m, percent slope, built-in magnets. There are powerful built-in magnets on the base which secures the attachment to any iron surface. High accuracy. It provides precise measurements, whose accuracy is plus or minus 0.2 degrees. Number 4. A new Lefavor Digital Angle Finder. This digital level measure all angles in either 360 degree range or 490 degree quadrants. It can display both degree and slope. Have 2 versions with magnets on the bottom and without magnets. Display isolays in upright position, which best especially when working overhead. Not only this instrument can measure the horizontal and vertical surface, it also can measure the angles of all slopes rise fall. Number 5. Latest UNI-T Digital Angle Gauge, LM320 Series Angle Meter. LM320 Series digital angle meters are used to measure the precise angle in a variety of applications. Designed with 2/4 sided magnetic bottom and 2-side laser design, LM320B makes the measurement more accurate and convenient. This series can be used in manufacturing, home decoration/DIY, and other fields requiring accurate angle measurements. Features: relative/absolute measurement, 360-degree comprehensive measurement, data hold, portable and lightweight, unique laser design, with magnetic base at the bottom, 3.7V rechargeable lithium battery, reverse display screen with backlight. Applications: LM320 series can be used in manufacturing, home decoration/DIY, and other fields requiring accurate angle measurements. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.